Okay, so let's look at this last example. The physician orders Cantrex. The recommended dose is 2.5 milligrams per kilogram every 8 hours. The client weighs 38 pounds 4 ounces. So the first thing we need to figure out is what's the weight in kilograms. Well, let's deal with this 4 ounces first. We know that 1 pound has 16 ounces. We have 4 ounces, and we don't know how many pounds that is. So we'll cross multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. 16 times x is 16x. And then we can divide both sides by 16 because that's the number in front of the x. And 4 divided by 16 is 0.25. And again, this was pounds. So now we know we have 0.25 pounds for this ounces. We also had 38 pounds. So now we can see that we have 38.25 pounds total. We're trying to change it to kilograms. So remember that 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. We have 38.25 pounds. And we're trying to find our kilograms. So now we can cross multiply. 1 times 38.25 is 38.25. 2.2 times x is 2.2x. We'll divide both sides by 2.2. So 38.25 divided by 2.2 is 17.38636. Remember that for weight we want to, and it keeps going, round to the nearest hundredth. So this number after the 8 is a 6. That tells us the 8 needs to go up. So we'll end up with 17.39 kilograms. So then it asks for what's the individual dose. So this tells us that we have 2.5 milligrams per kilogram. So let's write that as a fraction. It's actually a ratio. I keep saying fraction, but it's really a ratio. And we're going to make that equal another ratio. Kilograms is on the bottom here, so we want to put the kilograms on the bottom here. We're trying to find how many milligrams, that's the dosage, and we don't know that. So we'll cross multiply. 2.5 times 17.39 gives us 43.475. And then 1 times x is x. Now that x is in front of milligrams, so that's our units. We have 43.475 milligrams. So we need to use that for this last part. Here it asks for what's the daily dose. So if you go back and you look at the wording in problem number 3, it gave us an amount and it said per day. So that when it gives us per day, it's giving us a daily dose. In this problem, it says every 8 hours. And because it's giving us a time frame, this is giving us an individual dose. And that's what we found on the last piece of this problem. So this now wants the total daily dose. So if we're giving it every 8 hours, there's 24 hours in a day, and we're giving it 8 hours. So we take 24 divided by 8, we get 3. So that means that we're giving this medicine 3 times each day. Okay, if each time we give 43.47 milligrams of medicine, and we give it 3 times, then we take 43.475 times 3, and we get 130.425 milligrams each day. Now here it says round to the nearest whole number. So we see the number after the decimal is 4, which is lower than a 5. So it means that this stays the same, we don't change it. So rounded to the nearest whole number is 130 milligrams each day.